Who are you?
I am a graduate of Mike Gaffney's Floral Design
Name
School.
and rank?
I am the Comprehensive Week program worth every
Name is
dollar.
Brian. Rank? Fabulous
Brian Tan.
designer. What is it?
Brian Tan.
Tell us about your week.
It's been absolutely amazing. Absolutely
Had
amazing.
you designed flowers before?
No, I
He's
have not.
amazing. Look, how pretty. How chic.
I learned how to talk to brides, and more importantly, the bride's mother.
And how many pieces did you do? Enough to fill your home?
I've done maybe 22 pieces.
Uh-huh. And you missed a day.
Yes.
What happened at the funeral? What were they talking about at the funeral, you told me?
I actually sat everyone down at Repast and told them about this class here and what I've learned. And the most important thing is perceived value.
Yeah. And what was your mother talking about at the funeral?
My mother was also telling them what I taught her from what you taught me to the other people in the room. Perceived value, how to create these bouquets, how to do flower math.
And longevity of your product.
Absolutely.
Are all your flowers still going strong at home?
Every single one of them.
And it's been
is alive,
6
thriving.
days since we designed his first bouquets. Flower School 101, look at that. How pretty is that? How hard was that to do?
I thought it was going to be extremely hard, but
It wasn't.
you made it so easy.
When you first came here the first day, what were you thinking?
Terrified.
Hope you made the right decision.
Absolutely.
Everybody should, or would. I would too. What was What was the most surprising thing you learned this week?
That it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be.
No, I make it easy. And
Yeah, I'm trying to not waste.
this is
any
all
flour.
leftover flowers. Look what he's doing. That's talent and that's skill. I love that. It reminds me of something they'd walked on a fashion runway here in New York for the finale piece with the bride holding that. Parting words on my school here.
It's worth every dollar.
And you approve the week.
Worth every dollar.
They should take the week, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
The week is worth every
Where it's
single
at.
dollar.
I agree. Well, we do more projects, but I teach you all the secrets of pricing, selling, and all those very important things that you don't get in the first day. I always say we can't do it all in one day, but we can do it in a week, right?
Yes, but don't forget the tour. The tour is amazing.
Yeah, the tour is good. How to buy flowers locally. Well, you're a shining star, Mr. Brian, and I loved having you here. Thank you.
Thank you.